rise of a new landmark, beginning of a new era. Agile Property Holdings Limited is an award-winning developer with 27 years of experience across more than 60 cities, over 200 benchmark projects. This ASEAN member state sits in the middle of the east-west trade route. Neighboring the Golden Triangle of Kuala Lumpur, Agile Embassy Garden is close to KLCC, KL Tower, and Tun Razak Exchange. The Grand Lobby welcomes you home to an international living experience. Enjoy peace of mind living with the 8-tier security system. Your secure home awaits. Discover thoughtfully designed living spaces. High-quality branded fittings and finishing creates a satisfyingly comfortable residence. Discover a tropical forest theme by an award-winning landscape design team with over 20 types of tropical species. Escape stress with the delightful range of recreational facilities at the podium level. Agile Embassy Garden offers breathtaking living in a low-density surrounding with unblocked views of the city center. Featuring the Sky Lounge and Sky Infinity Pool, the rooftop facilities at 234 meters above ground overlooks the cosmopolitan skyline. Ultimate convenience of city living awaits. Just steps away to 5-star hotels, luxury shopping brands. Live high above the rest. Only at Agile Embassy Garden, the new landmark in CBD Embassy Row.